Oppo has launched its new smartphone under A6 lineup in China called Oppo A6 GT. Talking about the specifications. The Oppo A6 GT features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A6 GT sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80-watt super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.13 by 77.58 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 198 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6 GT has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in rock mist blue, streamer white, and glossy pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.